Everybody. I want to make a video for you for your construction science 3301 class for construction estimations. I wanted to show you the library resources that we had for you, including some database tips, some ebooks that we have for you for your course, and other things that you may need as you progress. I'm going to share my screen to show exactly how to access the course materials, and then there will be a brief survey at the end. Please make sure that you take the survey so that your instructor can know that you watched the entire video and so that I can have credit for you watching the video as well. We're going to go ahead and get started. So hi, my name is Jori Dale. I'm your art and architecture librarian here at Prairie A&M University. We're going to begin by talking about where you can find your materials. The first thing that you're going to do is go to your library homepage, and you can use just a Google link and type in PVAMU libraries. And then when you hit search, it will be the first link. Once you have clicked that tab, this is the whole library's homepage. You're going to come down to the blue section and you're going to click Guides. When you click Guides, you're going to use this search box and you're going to type in your course number, which will be Construction Science 3301. And you hit Enter. The first course guide that comes up will have my name, and it will be resources for you for your construction science course estimating class. You can go to course resources. The first page is going to be course resources, and it's going to tell you everything you need to know about your class, from how many credit hours it will be, the description of the class, as well as the syllabus and the book that you will need. I have both of your books here for how to estimate RS means data and the construction cost estimating. This was an optional text that your professor wanted you to have, but this one was required. If you needed if you needed the copy of the book, you could have requested it through Interlibrary Loan Service, or you could have clicked the PDF here. If you click the PDF, it will give you the whole how to estimate with RS means data, basic skills for building construction. All of the pages for the entire book are located here, including the index and the table of contents. All you have to do is click on a page, and they are PDF readable. So if, for example, I do Control Find and I say construction, it will pull up every single part where construction is located in the book. So these are readable by the computer. If you go up to the top, you can also look at the table of contents and look at exactly where you might need to go to find the chapters. I will tell you that the numbers on the PDF are different than what's on the actual page because it is an online version of the book. So it will not be the exact same. So for example, where it says chapter 1 starts at page 1, chapter 1 doesn't start at page 1 on here. Chapter 1 actually will start on page, let me find it, I apologize. Chapter 1 will actually start on page 31. So please be noticing that difference. If you need to go back, you just go back to the tab because it will open it in a new tab. You also have your syllabus here. It has everything you need to know about your course, including the location. The name of your professor is different because the course changed at the last minute and Dr. Bachorn had to teach it. But the times are still correct, and the work that you will be doing and the parameters for how you will be graded and your assignments will be the same. If you have any questions, please ask your professor. The other things that we have on here are the days that your class times will be, um, who's teaching your class, and some fun facts about construction. If you need to know a little bit more about your professor or how to contact him, there's a tab specifically about meeting your professor. And there are some other recommendations and other books that Dr. Bockhorn thought would be wonderful for you to know about specifically for this class. If the book does not have a blue title, that means it is not a link to it, but you can request the book with interlibrary loan, as stated in the comments on the book. If you do not know how to use interlibrary loan, I will show you. You will open up a new page and you go back to the library homepage and you type in PVAMU libraries. But this time you will be looking at the green section. The green section is where you can find interlibrary loan, and you will click this and you will be using your last name and your P number to sign in. When you click this link up here that says go to interlibrary loan, it would allow you to request books, journal articles, or whatever you may need. For example, if I needed to request a book, I have my last name is Dale, my P number, and I'm going to submit. And it's going to ask you for all these details in order for you to receive that book. The next thing that we're going to do is look at all the different John B. Coleman Library resources. We have the Digital Commons, we have Interlibrary Loan, which you could do here, or how I showed you with the green tab. Another way you can reach Interlibrary Loan is by clicking this tab and clicking the link. We have the John B. Coleman Library webpage, our library catalog that gives you access to all the books, our library liaisons, and I'm your liaison for art and architecture and construction science, reference services department, and the writing center. Here's a tab specifically about the John B. Coleman Library catalog. If you want to specifically look for physical books on campus, this is going to be the tab that you select. When you select the library catalog, it will take you here. And instead of view entire collection, if you want to have a physical book here at the John B. Coleman Library, you're going to click John B. Coleman Library. And you're going to type in construction science, if that's your topic. Once you do that, it will show you how many books we have. We have about 104. And if it says website, that means it is an ebook. But if it says location, you can find one right here. If it says location, then it is a physical book. If you click the website to one of the ebooks, it'll take you directly to our online portal where you can access the full ebook. It will have all the table of contents, the copyright page, as well as the different chapters of the book as well. You can also come up here and save the book if you choose to. If you have created an account, you will come here to create an account if you need to. It will look like this. My name is Jori Dale, so I have first and last name and my PB email, and I'm going to create a password. That's if you want to save things. If you want to cite the book or an article or whatever you found, you would click here to cite and you would choose your citation. For example, MLA, all I would have to do is copy this and paste it to what I want to paste it on, whichever document. I can also save this to a project, but if you want to save something to a project, you must sign in and create a My EBSCO account with your student email. You can also share these and with a link that will be created for you to copy to your clipboard. You can upload this to your student OneDrive or to your Google Drive if you choose to. You can also download this as a PDF. It gives you the option here in the corner as well as right here. Or you can click Access Options with the drop-down menu and just click full PDF text, and it will give you the full PDF of the textbook that you need. We're just waiting for it to load. It's taking a little long to load, but that's the gist. You just click on full PDF text. I'm gonna go back to our LibGuide. So to do an interlibrary loan, if you didn't want to go through the PV webpage, how I showed you, once again, you could have always just used one of these tabs where it says interlibrary loan. It's also here on the resources tab, and it will let you specifically pick a book, journal, or article and let you log in from here. Here's some information about the Writing Center. If you do need help with writing, you have their email, their phone number, and their location, as well as their times that they're available. Here is a wealth of construction science and architectural databases that will relate to what you need to be doing. Because construction science is very close to civil engineering, or is civil engineering, there are a couple engineering databases on here that could assist you. If these databases do not help you with what you're looking for, you can always reach out to me via email. There's additional databases that I think are super helpful, that I think are wonderful for you to access. My favorite database on here is going to be the Films on Demand. When you go here, it takes you to a wealth of all these different films that you get to access with your student package. And if I type in construction science, it will give me all of the films related to construction science or construction or architecture. When you click on these films, it has a transcript of the video. It breaks the video down into segments. So as the video plays, hopefully you'll be able to hear it. It will highlight exactly what people are saying. These are peer-reviewed sources from educational resource providers. For example, this is Cambridge. And as the video talks, it will highlight the rules. You also can look at the video in different segments. Maybe you didn't want to watch all 20 minutes. Maybe you only wanted to watch parts of it, maybe building inspectors or building plans and creations. You can also cite this video for any information needs that you may have. You can cite an MLA, Chicago, APA, and Harvard. And last but not least, we have ebooks, additional ebooks that would assist you with construction materials or maybe estimation and techniques. We have a few articles on estimating and building construction for case studies. And there are a few videos here about estimating construction. For example, using math and construction technology, starting home building company with a startup technology, and even construction or architecture, just the understanding of what that may be. Here is some additional research help for you, like RefWorks or citation help and additional databases, all of the ones A through Z, e-journal portals, the library catalog again, and other finding tools. This is the survey. This is the last part of the video. Please take the survey for your attendance to show that you have watched the video and to show that you have assessed the library performance and you are showing that you have a understanding of the materials as a student that the library offers to you. I'm going to leave this up for about one more minute. Remember, you can always stop the video and take the survey. Remember, my name is Jori Dale. When you click on the survey, I am Jori Dale. I am your liaison for the School of Architecture for Art, Community Development, and Construction Science. You're going to say what class you've taken, which would be Construction Science 3301. You're going to say your status. How many library classes like this have you had? What you found most useful, what you found least useful, and you will rate me as an instructor. We will ask for your first and last name for your class attendance as well and sign it. Once you submit it, it will come straight to me and I will send these to your professor. Thank you so much for watching my video. And remember, if you need any help at all, please reach out to me via email. My name is Jori Dale, and my email is jmdale@pvamu.edu. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope this makes your course a little bit easier. Thank you.